What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 kinda error 88001003. It's a remote play connection error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we go to the screen. Here we go to the settings and then go to the network. Here is the network, view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the DNS is not working, that's why your remote play is not connecting with your PlayStation 4. If the DNS is working, then go back, set up a new connection, and the other setting I'm just going to tell you. Here we go to the login settings, and here is the remote play connection settings. Here you must check in enable remote play, connect the PS Vita and a PS TV, and you can add them manually also. If the automatically is not working, you just go add them manually, go to your device and add this code, and it will be connect with your remote play, but your connection must work. So that's how that simply you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.